Well, taking a recap look at what the rain totals that have fallen in the past 5 days. Of course, we know that obviously eastern Kentucky was hit hard, but so was a chunk of western Kentucky, northwestern Kentucky, Owensboro area into Indiana, Illinois, and St. Louis also had some really bad flooding conditions as well. Obviously, we know that Lexington picked up a little over 3 inches of rain, which of course was needed, and western Kentucky still under the drought conditions finally saw some needed rain as well. Meanwhile, of course, we know anywhere between maybe 8 inches and a foot of rain fell in some of our counties over in eastern Kentucky. Breathitt, Perry County, some among the most that were hit the hardest. So river cresting information, North Fork Kentucky River at Jackson has officially crested. It did so at 43.47 feet, just shy of 43.5 feet, which is right around forecast crest. It is coming down. It is now kind of moving into the moderate flood risk and will continue to do so over the course of the weekend. So finally dipping down below flood stage and action stage probably by the time we get into Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. So that's good news. But of course, we know that this was a record flood, of course, for parts of Breathitt County. Jackson, of course, included North Fork Kentucky River at Jackson. Again, the actual crest was 43.47, and that, of course, puts it into a record category, being a historical flood this week. Other historic crests were from 1939, 1927, and 38 years ago, 1984. That was the most recent one, aside from this one that occurred this week. So of course, still thinking of all of our friends in eastern Kentucky. Cleanup efforts we know will go on for quite a while. The good news is we have some dry weather moving in. Your Saturday is looking much better than Sunday, as rain will return and make its appearance again in Kentucky through Sunday, even continuing into early next week. And then we push back up into the 90s as those high temperatures start to warm right back up, and we're going to see more sunshine coming too. Cold front, that's been the culprit of some scattered showers falling in eastern Kentucky this evening. We'll begin to see a little bit of clearing. High pressure finally resides over us, at least to the north, for a chunk of this weekend. That's going to help to keep us dry. We're definitely looking forward to that. And then by the time we move into Sunday, another stationary boundary begins to lift back north into the area. That's going to hold rounds of showers over us for most of your day on Sunday, eventually coming to an end, hopefully Sunday night. Then another round comes in on Monday. So really Sunday through Tuesday, we're looking at picking up quite a bit of rain showers. Between now and Sunday, we could be looking at as much as maybe another inch to an inch and a half, especially for southern Kentucky areas south of I-64. So we're going to keep an eye on that moving ahead. After that, temperatures actually dropping down on Sunday, upper 70s, and we return to the low 90s for a good chunk of next week. Tonight, low of 63 degrees, partly cloudy skies, a bit of patchy fog setting up by early tomorrow morning. Otherwise, we'll see some sun. It will feel less humid finally. High temperatures around 82 degrees. And then, of course, we're looking at hot weather again through the 8-day forecast.